In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your first Crew agent using SambaNova and CrewAI. We'll go from setting up the API key to running a simple AI agent that can write and explain itself, all in just a few lines of code. Let's get started.
Let's see how easy it is to get started with SambaNova's large language model and CrewAI. Here is a minimal example, just a few lines of code and no complex setup. First, we import CrewAI modules and set our SambaNova API key. Then we create a language model using SambaNova's Llama 3.1 8 billion model. And next, we define a simple writer agent and give it a task. Write hello world and explain what you are in one sentence. Then we add the agent and task to our crew, run it and print the result. The agent uses SambaNova's LLM to generate its output automatically. And it's time to run it now. You will see a hello world message with a short explanation completely AI generated. And that's it. This is how you can quickly create a simple AI agent. You can also build on this to orchestrate multiple agents for more complex workflows. Thank you so much for watching this video and follow for more.